You see that flicker on the screen, cats and kittens? That ain't no glitch, that's the 70s calling. Back when sideburns were thick, afros touched the sky, and the movies, man. They were something else. We're talking bell-bottoms, platform shoes, and enough grit to make a diamond blush. Welcome to emgotv1, where cinema history comes alive. Today we're diving headfirst into the 1970s, exploring how African-American culture flipped the script on good and evil in action movies. These flicks weren't just about shootouts and car chases, no sir. They gave us heroes you could root for, villains you love to hate, and stories that stuck with you long after the credits rolled. Now sit back, grab some popcorn, and get ready for a wild ride. Don't forget to subscribe for more deep dives into movie history. Picture this. A private detective cooler than a polar bear's toenails, strutting through the streets of New York City, laying down the law with every snap of his fingers. That's Shaft, baby. This ain't your average hero story. We're talking about a dude caught in the game, trying to make one last score before he gets swallowed whole. You decide if he's good or bad. They say power corrupts, and in the world of the Mac, that ain't no lie. But even a kingpin can find redemption, right? Chapter 4. Coffee, the baddest chick on the block. This ain't no damsel in distress, folks. Pam Grier, she was a force of nature, taking down bad guys with a vengeance and looking damn good doing it. Chapter 5. Black Caesar from zero to gangster. This is the American dream, gangster style. But can you outrun your past, or will it always catch up to you? Chapter 6. Cleopatra Jones, License to Thrill. Forget Bond, James Bond. Cleopatra Jones was the real deal, a secret agent with style, grace, and a whole lot of firepower. Chapter 7. Foxy Brown, Back for Blood. Pam Grier strikes again, this time taking on a whole system rigged against her. They messed with the wrong woman. Chapter 8. Hell Up in Harlem, Family Ties and Bullets. Blood is thicker than water, especially when you're caught in a world of crime and violence. 3. The Hard Way, United We Stand. 3 heroes, 1 mission, save the world from a threat that could wipe out an entire race. Talk about high stakes. Trouble Man, walk the tightrope. In a world of shadows and secrets, this man walked the line between right and wrong, and sometimes, the only way out was through the fire. Across 110th Street concrete jungle justice. This ain't no Hollywood fairy tale. This is the gritty, unforgiving reality of life and death on the streets where survival is a daily battle. Sweet Sweetback's Bod-Ass Sis song, a revolution on film. Hold on tight, cause this film ain't afraid to shake things up. It's raw, it's powerful, and it changed the game forever. Willie Dynamite Redemption's Price. Can a man change his stripes? This film dives deep into the heart of a hustler, searching for a way out of the game. The Legend of Nigger Charlie. Saddle up for justice. They called him Nigger Charlie, but he was a hero for a new generation, fighting for what's right in a world gone wrong. Bucktown, small town, big trouble. Don't let the peaceful facade fool you. This town's got a dark underbelly, and one man standing up to the corruption. Detroit 9000, race, power, and justice. A city on the edge, a crime that shakes it to its core. This film pulls no punches, exploring the raw nerves of racial tension and the fight for equality. Hammer, fighting for more than a title. Inside the ring, he was a champion. Outside, he faced a different kind of fight, one against the criminal underworld threatening his community. Blackula, the Count gets a soulful makeover. He's suave, he's sophisticated, and he's thirsty for blood. This ain't your grandma's Dracula story. Gordon's War. From Nam to the streets. He fought for his country, now he's fighting for his neighborhood. This is the story of one man's war against the drugs and violence tearing apart his community. Friday Foster flashbulbs and foul play. She's got a camera in one hand and a whole lot of courage in the other. This photographer's about to expose a conspiracy that goes all the way to the top. So there you have it, folks. A glimpse into a decade where action movies got a serious injection of soul. These movies didn't just entertain, they shaped narratives of empowerment and resistance, leaving a lasting impact on cinema and culture. They were bold, they were daring, and they gave a voice to a community often ignored by Hollywood. Now, these films weren't always perfect, but they were damn entertaining, and they started a conversation that's still going on today. Which of these iconic films is your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe to emgotv1 for more stories about the history of movies and TV. See you next time.